Wow, wow, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome on this beautiful day to this amazing, amazing presentation. Let me know if you can hear me. Oh wait, let me refresh the screen. I see the picture of my main man, tool is not converting properly. So let me fix that up. Other than that, let me know if you're hearing me. And guys, this immediately goes to show that we're live and that this is real. I'm going to put the slides back up in a second. But other than that, let's do a quick audio check, visual check. Well, the visual, we'll have to wait for a second. But audio check, let me know if I'm coming through. I can't wait to show you this. If you've seen or read the emails, you know that what you're about to discover is going to be extremely powerful. So again, I cannot wait to share this with you. I'm going to go ahead and turn screen share back on main screen, and there we go. All good now. All right, so let me open up the chat box. Let's see, loud and clear. Hey, Raheem, good afternoon. Juan, Anthony, Bernardo, Fred, Malcolm is here. Alan from Canada, Bernard from the Philippines. Awesome. All right, so that's amazing, guys. I do appreciate interaction, not only just for making it an amazing and valuable session, but also for your own good. If you're inactive for too long, you might get kicked off the webinar. So make sure you're interactive, you're here, you're live, and that way you'll always get the most out of the presentation as well. I see Jeff saying, hey, from Nashville. Awesome. So with that being said, I want to get in without further ado. I appreciate your time. So let's go fast forward. Hyper intelligent lead bot turns simple conversations into leads and sales daily. And I'm actually going to show you why and how you will get clients to pay you extremely fast by doing this. And this works in literally any industry, market, or niche. Guys, if you want to have at least a healthy 4 or 5 figures a month coming from businesses that are more than happy to pay you and you have ease of delivery, then this is for you. Now, with that being said, here's the ugly truth, right? I'm going to be super blunt and honest and real with you guys. We all know AI is smarter and faster than ever, right? It's smarter than you, it's smarter than me, it's smarter than all of us together. I mean, the geniuses, Dr. Amit and engineer Atul, I mean, those are some super smart people, but we have to admit AI just has a vast amount of knowledge that we cannot comprehend in our own brain. So that is a given fact. Now, if that's the case, and we all have access to AI to some degree, like I assume you guys have some AI tools, or at the very least, you can access ChatGPT, right? Then why is not everyone succeeding? Have you wondered? Like, we all have this extremely powerful, intelligent, smart tool that can do anything and everything for us, can answer any question for us, and yet not everyone is at the same level, even though we have all access to a degree to the same tool. So that's what we started to figure out. We were like, well, what's holding people back? AI's out there. They should be able to look up anything, talk to it, solve their problems. What is stopping them? So what we found out after a deep analysis, here's what we discovered, right? Most AIs that people use for themselves or for their clients, they're very inefficient to generate leads with. It's very limited time to interact with the clients. It's very generic, right? The info you get is like very general info, not specific, not customized, right? There's a lack of 24/7 availability for the people, for the clients that don't have the AI, or it's just not up to date, or it can't answer really specific questions because it's very static, right? It just replies based on the input it got from the documents. So we'll talk more about that in a second. It's just a very standardized robotic AI that sure can answer here and there, but it can't evolve and learn on its own as you speak to it. That's what we realize with most. Ineffective follow-up. The website visitors disengage. The AI doesn't put in any effort to actually interact and move the person forward through the sales cycle. Overwhelmed, data overload for the people. Like, they get too much information out of it. It just writes a whole essay and they're like, all right, good luck, I hope I answered your question with that. And it's just, there's a lot of challenges to have it converting to sales. So even though we have this machine, this beast, this powerful tool, there's just so many inefficiencies where just using it doesn't make sense enough to really make a lot of money with it. So that's why I'm going to promise you, especially for the people that are here and that are going to take action today, by far, the people that take action today, you will have AI making you money on autopilot moving forward. There will be no business, online or offline, that will not want to hand you money after what you've seen here today. And the great thing is, it's completely risk-free for the business that's going to give you money. I'm going to show you all of that and why every single business owner is going to fall in love with you and pay you monthly, allowing you to make, even with just 2 or 3 clients, a nice 5 figures a month. And this is by the use of hyper talented chatbots that can actually learn and adapt as we speak to them. And those are rare. I'm going to talk more about that on this presentation. I hope you're excited. I hope you're hyped. Let me know in the chat box. And if you're staying until the end, comment yes right now. Right? We always have amazing bonuses that we give away, but we only give it to the people that are here, that are live, that are active, and that actually respond to us, because you guys deserve it the most. So comment yes, even if you haven't said a darn word or a single word so far. Show a sign up live in the chat box real quick. I'm also going to have a look in it. I see yes from Sebastian, yes from Jeff. I see Juan saying yes. D says yes. Fred says yes. Michael says, I'm really busy listening. I love it, Michael. Or Miguel. Nico says yes. Jonathan says yes. Lots of yeses, yeses, yeses. I love it. I love it. I love it. Lots of yeses. All right. Perfect. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, just so you know, you're in good hands here today. I'm here on behalf of the man, the myth, the legends, Dr. Mead and ER Tool Parikh. I mean, these guys are so brilliant. They've succeeded in so many different ways, but not only their own success, but they've created so many success stories. Even some of the biggest names in the industries you see right now came from the teachings, the tools, and the softwares and the trainings from Dr. Mead and Engineer Atul. And on top of that, what I love about these guys as well is that they went ahead and hired a third-party company to assess how happy the clients are with what they do, and they have a whopping 94% customer satisfaction rate. And in our industry, it's really easy to piss off people with the slightest thing. And to have a 94% customer satisfaction rate, people getting results, people making money, people getting more clients, people building a bigger business because of the tools, services, and trainings they provide, that's just a blessing. So I just want you to know you're in good hands here today, ladies and gentlemen. We walk the walk, we talk the talk. I'm blessed to be a part of them as well. My name's Raheem. I'll be doing the presentation here today. And without further ado, let's dig right into the moment you've been waiting for. The 3 secrets I'm going to share with you today is number 1, instant money offer. I'm actually going to show you, before I show you the tool, because I can show you the tool all day long. It's actually going to be a really good demo, but you'll be like, all right, so how can I use it? How can I make money with it? So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to show you why and how easy it is to make money with this, especially if you're going to use this for a service-based business, either for yourself or for clients. So that's secret number 1, how to effortlessly generate 5 figures a month, even if you're a complete beginner or starting from scratch using a high in-demand offer. Now, once we establish the offer and how you can make money with it, we're going to go to the hyper intelligent AI itself. And this is where we're going to do the amazing demo you've been waiting for, the super smart AI that gets any business leads and sales and has clients desperate to give you money and work with them fast. And then last but not least, exclusive access. Just because you're on this webinar, you'll be able to access it in a way nobody else can, because you're going to get exclusive access to the hyper intelligent AI that turns conversations into money for every single niche and industry at an incredible bang for your buck, as opposed to anyone outside of this webinar. That's why we always encourage people to come up to the webinar, because the webinar deal is always the best deal online. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's dig right into secret number 1. And I want you to know for a fact that it's no big secret that the new wave of success stories will be ruled by AI agencies, right? The people that can understand and move faster with AI and really use it to a degree where it benefits them and the clients, they're going to win over any person that does it manually, right? If I need content and one person can give me 2 videos, they're manually editing, and another person can give me 30 videos in a couple of days, and it's the same price, I'm going to use the other person, right? I get more bang for my buck, and they use AI because they're faster. So the new wave, it's clear, and you even see Netflix, McDonald's, I see Foot Locker recently leveraging AI in their store, and even YouTube, right? If you open up your YouTube dashboard, you see the AI is so much more to a degree. It knows exactly what kind of videos you would want and watch next. So it's always evolving. Spotify, all these platforms are doubling down on AI. So with that being said, the only problem is, especially in the service-based space in our business and industries, we've seen a lot of AIs right now, right? Now everybody is using AI to sell the same darn offers. It's either use AI to sell copywriting, use AI to sell content and media, use it to sell web design. Some AIs can create really good websites. I mean, it's always the same thing. And there comes a point where a business already has a website. I don't need a new website every single week, every single month. It's hard to sell. Same for the copywriting. Right, I got my copy done. It's enough. I'm good. Or I can buy the AI myself, and I'm sorry, I don't need your services anymore. So even though these are powerful and you can use them for yourself to write better copy, it's hard to go to the marketplace and become a better agency if you're serving other businesses in terms of marketing offers. Now, the standard services as well, we've noticed more and more as the years go on. If you provide just social media assets, digital advertising in general, website creation, design creation, sure, the top of the top will still get clients, and it's not impossible. But we can all agree it's harder than ever in terms of more and more and more and more people, every dog and his neighbors, buying a course, is buying a tools, buying a software that can do everything for them. Like, the barrier of entry is so low. By the time I started this webinar, there are probably 10 new people entered the industry with the same idea, right? So I don't want to build a doom scenario or make it all doom and gloom, but I do want to be realistic. You might have seen this before. Let me know in the chat box if you agree with this, or you can relate to this or see this in the industry right now as well. So with that being said, I want you to understand that the 5-figure client that can actually afford you and that loves to invest in solutions, they already have these things, right? Now, there's one thing they will always buy from you, and that is if you can help them get more leads and sales, whether it's a coach, whether it's an affiliate marketer, whether it's an agency, whether it's a blogger, whether it's a small business, whether it's an influencer, whether it's a commerce or niche, a course vendor. If you can walk up to them, say, all right, nice little business you got here. Do you want to scale it up? I can probably get you more people. They're always listening. Even me today, if someone comes up to me and says to me, hey, I can get you more people to buy from you. I'm like, tell me more. What can you do for me? They will always be open for that. Guys, does this make sense? Let me know in the chat box, because if you don't understand this is going to be really important for when we are about to show the software demo, because that's exactly what it's going to do. So I need you to understand this part right here. Let me know in the chat box. I see lots of yeses coming in. Exactly, that's true. Okay. So I see Fred saying yes. I see you, brother. Perfect. So with that being said, businesses will always buy your offer if you can promise them more leads and sales. Everybody wants that. If I can walk up to you right now and tell you I can get you more leads and sales, you're like, sure. What can you do for me? So before AI, you could only either try to learn ads and risk the business's money on campaigns without guaranteeing that they'll convert or that it will work. Or you'll just post a ton of content for them and hoping that you're lucky and one will go viral or people will show up in general, right? It's a little bit more untrackable. It's just, you have to just put it out there and hope it will do good. Those were the main two options. Now, if you're not a super seasoned Facebook ads veteran, and you also find it hard to spend the business's money, because the business like, all right, you're going to spend my money, I'm not even sure if you're going to get results with it. There's a lot of friction to getting the client. There's even more friction because they can choose anyone else over you. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, with the power of AI now, and specifically the power that Dr. Amit and Engineer Atul have been able to enhance and develop, it's crazy. But when I was part of the growth phase, when I saw it come together, how smart and how much time and effort has gone into this is insane. Where by far this is the smartest chatbot alive I have ever seen. I've seen a lot of AI tools because I do a lot of webinars. I get to see a lot of the products up front. This is the smartest chatbot I've seen in my entire life. Now, businesses will fall in love with you. I don't mean that in a way where, oh yeah, thank you for your service. They're like, thank you so much that they'll send you thank you letters. They'll give you a bonus. They'll pay you more, because if you can actually add revenue to a business and you're the direct reason as of why that is, they're more than happy. They're more than happy to have you. And up until now, it's really hard to promise that. It's really hard to do that for a business. Now, Let me introduce you to the guaranteed $1,500 a month client template. You walk up to any business, online, offline, and say, hey, business name, I saw you were doing, they're either doing ads, they're either doing Google My Business, they're either doing some kind of promotion or social media content. And you say, hey, I saw you do one of these things, depending on what they did. So assume you're looking to attract and convert more people to your website. I actually happen to specialize in this field using AI. So if you want, I'm more than happy to use our AI sales booster method to help you generate more sales for the next 7 days. And if it doesn't work, you won't have to pay. Now tell me, is there any business that would turn down an offer like this? If I would walk up to you right now and tell you, hey, I'll implement my AI sales booster method for 7 days. And if you don't see more results, then you won't have to pay me anything. You got absolutely nothing to lose. And this is what Alex Hermosi, for those of you that know and follow his content, talks about. Risk reversal is what gets you the sale. The upside is all for the client. But whereas if I pitch a standard service like Facebook ads, like there's a lot of risk for them. They're like, hey, I have an AI specialized method. It's one of the smartest chatbots. Nobody's utilizing it. And if you want, can try it out, see if it works for your business. If we see good results, we can hop on a conversation, carry it on. And if it really doesn't affect or you see nothing changes, then no worries. We'll part ways. We'll stay friends. Either way, you've had a shot at growing your business just like that. Remember, businesses will always love an offer that can help them get more leads and sales. So with that being said, here is the simple 3-step AI sales booster method. I promise you, each and every one of you that are going to get this today, you will see clients whether you like it or not. At least try it out. You'll see clients whether you like it or not. First, you create a hyper intelligent conversational AI. We're going to show you with the software how we do that in secret number 2, right? Don't worry, we're gonna have a demo. You basically upload all the content, the URL of the business you're going to work with. And this AI is not just your average chatbot, right? Because there are a lot of chatbots that can do that. You can give them information, they can talk, but it's self-adapting, it's self-conscious almost, where it can learn and understand more and beyond that you give it. And that's rare. A lot of AIs can only understand to the degree that you supply or input the information in. The AI that you'll see shortly, that Dr. Mead and Engineer Tool have developed, it is so smart, it can go beyond what you give it, as almost as if it's human, which is quite scary if you ask me. Then you do what I told you. You give the business a week free trial. So give me a week, I'll help you get more sales and leads using our AI. And if nothing happens, and you don't pay me a dime. And if it does, we can sit around and see how much we can do a retainer. After a week, you analyze the results. You come to the business. Well, this is how many conversations the AI had. This is how many people referred to a sale or got to a product. This is how many problems it solved. The numbers don't lie. Now, if you want more of this, let's see how we can work together for a longer time. If not, I'll deinstall it right now, and you'll lose out on all this revenue and all these stats that you see here. It's like you're putting a person in a Ferrari, getting them to experience it, and then like, all right, we're going to take it away. Nobody wants that. But it's harder to sell if you're trying to give them something they haven't even experienced in the first place. Like, well, I've never had a Ferrari. I'm not missing out on anything, so I don't need it. But if I give it to you for free up front, you drive it for a week, I can't live without this car anymore. Guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Let me know if this is landing. This is so important because I know you guys want to get to the demo and see the product, and me too as well, but I need you to understand this first, please. So let me know in the chat box if this is landing, and if you see the value, you understand the power of this. Let me know in the chat box, guys. Because with that being said, I'll prove it to you. Here's the case study of Anymail. Now, the Anymail Finder, it's a great company, online company. 90% of big customers want to chat before buying. Nobody just goes, oh, nice, let me buy this. They need information. Will this work for my business? But what's this? How does it work with this? Like, what's the guarantee? They have so many objections that needs to get handled before they're like, all right, put me on a 90-day program, create my account. But if there always needs to be a sales rep, a customer service rep every single time, 24/7, nothing's going to get done. So we actually analyzed the business and saw 9 out of 10 big buyers use the chat system before making a purchase. They had to. Now imagine if that chatbot was not there. They lose out on the sale. Revenue would have dipped. 60% of revenue came from the chatbots. That's more than half. Now imagine after 7 days, I come to Anymail, I showed them some stats and like, you know what, guys, 7 days is done. Yeah, this is what we do. I'll go ahead and deinstall it right now. I hope you enjoyed that. And you know, if you want to carry this on, I can obviously do that. But for now, I'm just gonna unplug it. And like, whoa, 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 whoa. We need to keep running this, please. How can we work together? And you pitch your price. And I guarantee you, if you say 1,500 a month, they said that is nothing compared to the value that this provides to that business. Also, obviously, you want to take their price into account. You want to see the margins they're having. Like if they're selling a super low ticket offer, you might want to dial your price down and back a bit so they have some more leverage as well. But either way, you make money. Same goes for MongoDB. They increased new leads by 70% in 3 months. On top of that, Perfecto even did a video testimonial, right? Visited to lead conversation rate increased from 6 to 20%. We have Good Spa, a local business, 29% increase in website traffic, 47% click-through rate and automated messages. You know what one of the main, outside of pricing, two of the main questions were, one was parking. A lot of people wanted to know about parking. Number two is like, apparently with spas, you have bad towel days and you have like non-towel days, right? So a lot of people wanted to be clear that they don't show up to a non-towel day and then they have towels with them, all that stuff. I mean, if that confusion wasn't solved, the sale wouldn't have been happening on the spot because the lead might have gone cold, or they might have gone to another spot that could answer them promptly. If you're like in the middle of the evening, the office hours are closed, you want to book for tomorrow, what you're going to do? That's where the chatbot is. 13% increase in spot bookings. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask it one last time, because if you understand this, then I can show you the amazing chatbot, Intellimate, the self-learning, almost human, hyper-intelligent chatbot. Do you see how having a hyper-intelligent conversational chatbot gets you clients to pay you monthly? Let me know in the chat box. And then again, you can also use this for yourself and your own business. But let me know in the chat box. I'm going to have a look at the chat box right now. I see understand it. Got it. James can't wait for the demo. I see you, brother. We're getting there. I see this is good, powerful, definitely awesome. Thanks. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. I appreciate you guys. So, guys, we're going fast forward, right? I appreciate your time. I'm going full speed. We're already done with secret number 1. And I just want you to know anyone can now take this and increase sales for a business. And that just makes you so powerful in the marketplace. Whereas before, you were just a dime a dozen having a lot of competition. So that's it for secret number 1. We got through that quite quickly. I saw a lot of you understand the value there. And again, I guarantee you, every single one of you that picks this up, this is the best decision you can ever make. If you want to have just a solid cash flow business running with real businesses paying you over and over again for the service that you can provide, you have it right here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go into secret number 2 right away. Hyper intelligent AI, the super smart AI that gets any business lead and sales and has clients desperate to give you money and work with them fast. So obviously, before AI, you would either need to spend tons of time and money to become extremely good at leveraging chatbots. And also, most AI chatbots in the industry, if you don't know, they're either very rigid and robotic. They rely on rule-based systems for interaction, right? Because you might be wondering, well, chatbots are nothing new, right? We have ManyChat for years on end. Like, what's the latest? But they didn't have that self-adapting knowledge to them. They were rule-based, basic language programming, unsophisticated, and static predefined information. They can only work with what you give it. Outside of that, they are just limited. And it's really hard to get clients results with that, right? You can't convert cold leads into warm leads. It could only convert a warm lead already. So with that being said, who wants to see the hyper intelligent chatbot that's responsible for getting leads and sales daily, and this will get you client to easily pay you? Ladies and gentlemen, Intellimate will help you get leads and sales for clients fast. And my question just is, or as a matter of fact, do me a favor, let's cue the demo. Comment inside look if you want to see inside the product right now. Comment inside look in the chat box to cue the demo, and you can see with your own eyes the power of this amazing tool. I see awesome, awesome. Yeses, yeses, yeses. Show it, show it. Awesome. All right. With that being said, inside look, inside look. James, Fred, Bob, Sebastian, Jeff, Anthony, Juan, Jonathan, Ed, Alan, Jose, Ken, Thomas. You guys are freaking fantastic. Let's run it. And while you're watching this, I want you to feel and experience like you already have it, so you can really see with your own eyes what it would look like if you had the access to the power of Intellimate. Here we go.
Hello digital entrepreneurs, I am Dr. Amit Parik, and today I'm super thrilled to present you Intellimate AI. That is our innovative solution which is redefining how businesses connect with their customers. It has never been easier to stay connected 24/7 with your customers, but with Intellimate AI, that is self-learning app, which turns any URL, any website and any PDF doc into a conversational chatbot that is working 24/7 to convert your leads and convert more of your sales and engage your customers 24/7 non-stop. Once you have logged into our sleek dashboard, a world of possibilities unfolds. Before we dive deeper inside, let me give you an overview of your dashboard. So at the top you see workspace name, that is the name of your business and your client's business. It allows you to add and manage unlimited business of yours and your clients. Or from your easy dashboard, you can manage yours and your client businesses easily. It also gives you a comprehensive overview of Intellimate and its features. Now come to the chatbot. That is training bot using your own domain, own data, your website and PDF files, or you can use any URL for effective audience management and support. Then you get leads, that keeps customers' leads organized for easy access. Then integrations, connect your favorite autoresponders and your webinar platform and CRM platforms here. Agency-wide labeling option, you can customize Intellimate's conversational chatbot and dashboard with your agency branding. Now come to setting. You can fine tune Intellimate to sort your exact needs which you want from Intellimate to do for you. And in the right top corner, you get options to manage your profile, update your password and oversee both your workspaces and clients' workspaces, subscription management and all the video tutorials which we provide to quick start. This central hub puts everything you need in right at your fingertip for seamless management and convenience. Alright, now let's dig deeper inside the chatbot. Alright, so see the sleek interface you can see here, where Intellimate's conversational chatbot, which is your ultimate solution to transform any website and URL or your PDF documents into super responsive chatbot, which actually going to generate the answers according to your data. That is not just using your data, it is conversational AI which is going to craft the response and beautifully respond in conversational manner. So here you have the power to train your bot using own data for the better communication with your audience. Now let me create a new workspace for you and train the data in front of you so you can see how powerful it is. As soon as you create a new workspace, let's say you are creating for your client, so it will allows you to create a complete new chatbot for your client in newly added business. Now come to the chatbot feature. Let's create a branded chatbot and train it in front of you in next 7 minutes max. The first section is choosing a theme. We have designed a few beautiful themes in advance for you. Just choose one of them and you can choose which with just a click. Alright, and then click the next button. Next is profile section, where you can personalize your bot according to your branding or your client's branding. You can choose the bot profile image. You can choose how bot will look like on when it comes to on your website as a visit, your bot name, its language, theme colors to match yours and your customers branding at any time. After filling all the details, click the next step where you can set up the questions and answers. You can set up the welcome message for your website visitors, for your audiences when they come to for the support, which you can update or remove anytime. After that, you fill some frequently asked questions and answer forms, right? These questions are for marketing point of view. See, Intellimate is conversational chatbot which is going to answer with his own language, right? A very conversational, very fluent and very responsive language. But if you set these, you want to set up some marketing messages which is frequently asked question to convert more and more visitors into leads and sales. We also giving these frequently asked question option here in Intellimate. All right. So once you filled up the questions, click the next step. Now comes to the most important part of the Intellimate chatbot. That is training your chatbot on your own data. You can train Intelligent chatbot in two ways, either use your website URL or upload your own PDF files. Let me train the chatbot using Intellimate sales page and enter the URL here. It takes some time for the bot to understand the data and process it. So just let's move to the next step, that is setting up the autoresponder. So click the next step. Now select your preferred autoresponder and choose the list where you want to manage the leads. This way you can manage all the automation of your emails or your promotions and all the CRM activity here. Now set up a closing message you want your customers to see when they complete the chat with your chatbot, and with the CTA message to redirect them anywhere. By that way you maybe redirect them on your sales page, your support URL, your YouTube channel, your lead form, or your affiliate link for further getting more conversions and more sales and more commissions, and that is 24/7 for you. So how cool is that, right? So finally click save, and now you can get your embed code. Wow, amazing. Now you have your trained chatbot ready to work like a magic for you. Place this embed code on header or footer of your website, and your bot is now ready to respond to your visitors on your own data. Again I repeat, and convert them into maximum sales, leads, and loyal customers forever according to your data again. So it is conversational. I just love to show you some examples. Let me show you live. Let me ask some questions from the Intellimate about what I gave the training, right? So let me ask this and see the response generated. Wow, it's amazing. The context is exactly the same, which and it is written in well professional manner and conversational manner using our proprietary generative AI technology, which is built in-house in our company. Likewise, let's ask with another question. Let me ask a new question. Voila! Again, the answer is amazing, right? This is incredible, intelligent bot working 24/7 like your Salesforce to generate responses on your behalf and convert your visitors into sales and leads for you. I hope you are excited about the responses generated by Intellimate AI, which I gave you live in this demo in front of you. Now let's check out the lead section, which is next one. Come here. Easily manage and sort leads by time and chatbot they are originating from. Intellimate delivers results every time, right? Next is explore the integration section. You can integrate your autoresponder, your webinar platform, CRM platform, and content provider platform. Okay, so and now for our valued clients, agency white labeling is must-have feature. So what you can do, you can replace Intellimate logo with your own specific on any specific workspace or any client business, as well as in the bottom of the chatbot, which is mentioning the Intellimate logo. So you can completely white label it for your own brand, your own company, and it's yours to sell and charge up to $1,000 from each client. And additionally, you can charge them maintenance fees annually or monthly to generate them more leads and more sales for clients. Finally, let's dive into the Intellimate settings. Here you can efficiently manage all your workspaces, your clients, your tutorials, and reach out to our team for any support question. And now, finally, I want to conclude with this thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. We hope you are same excited like I am when I'm presenting this demonstration for you to you. So let's get ready to transform your interactions, enhance your engagement, and unlock new possibilities with Intellimate AI. So see you inside the members area. Bye bye.
Wow, wow, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, can I get a hands and applause for my man Amit going ahead and doing a full-on demo, showing you exactly the inside and out, leaving no stone unturned about the amazing and powerful Intellimate. Let me go ahead and pull the slides back up. Give me 1 second. But wow, thank you so much for that, Atul. That was amazing. Guys, did you see the absolute power of what it can do? Did you see how businesses will absolutely love such a smart, diligent, adapting AI that can help you literally convert traffic absolutely cold and turn them into warm, hot buyers? Let me know in the chat box. I'm going to go ahead and pull the slides back up. Give me 1 second. Let's see, let's see, let's see. There we go. You should be able to see the screen again. Let us know, ladies and gentlemen, who here absolutely loved what they just saw. I'm going to have a look at the chat box right there. I see nice, nice, nice. Didi asking, can the chatbot be trained? Yeah. So by the way, ask any questions you want, right? We have the entire tech team, the software and development team here. We have even a tool and a meet here with us as well. So ask all the questions you want. That way you're the most informed and you can understand it to its full extent. So see Sebastian saying, thanks for the excellent demo, excellent product. I love it. I love it. Amazing. So if you, I see Dell ask a question, so the team will answer all the questions. See a lot of people saying, love it, love it. Yeah, you should be able to see the screen now again. So I see someone asking, how does the bot learn? You can simply upload a URL of the website. And from there, because it's not limited to just the information you give it, with that, it can understand more than enough of what the website is, what it does, what it sells, what the kind of questions it can expect. It's really powerful in terms of going beyond what you just give it. And that's what makes it stand out. That's what allows you to be chosen over anyone else. And that's how you can supercharge your own business as well. So there you go. Awesome, awesome. Does it work on any website? Yeah, 100%. Any website, not just WordPress. You can put it on any website. I love it. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to go back to the slides here real quick. If you have any questions, keep asking them in the chat box. As a matter of fact, let me send a message to the support team as well to answer all the questions, because guys, we want to make sure you fully comprehend the power of what you have right here. Let's see. There we go. All right, perfect. So let me know overall from what you've seen right now and what I explained before about businesses. They will always want someone that can help them get more leads and sales. And if you can prove to do that, there's no reason for them not to pay you. Do you see yourself getting tons of clients if you gave you the most powerful AI that gets clients results? Right? All you have to do is walk up to them saying, hey, I'll give you a free trial, 7 days. I'll install Intellimate. It's the most powerful and smartest AI. You already have website traffic, but a lot of that website traffic is not getting converted into sales because, quite frankly, right now, you don't have that kind of power on your website. Now, you won't have to change nothing. You don't have to increase your ad spend. You don't have to do nothing. We can use the same website traffic you're already getting from Google, whatever. I'm just going to install an AI chatbot. I will speak again in 7 days. You'll see the results with your own eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's easy. The local business or the business, they already have traffic. They're just not getting the most out of it. Intellimate is proven to go ahead and capture the website visitor and turn them into a lead, into a sale, match them with a product, do whatever is necessary based on not only the information you give it, but the learning it does beyond the information you give it. And that's what makes it so special. I love it. I love it. I love it. I see lots of people saying, yes, I love this. Let me actually call out some names. I see Thomas saying, I love this. There we go. I see Sebastian asking a good question. Can we give the URL of competitors? Of course you can. Thomas says, this tool's an absolute killer. Amazing. Juan saying, I love it. All right, so let's keep going. Ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, now you understand the instant money offer. You can use this for yourself and for clients. And to be fair, there is no reason you cannot pick up at least 2 to 3 clients at very minimum and walk away with 4 to 5 figures a month at the bare minimum with the least amount of effort. And again, it all comes down to you're giving clients nothing to lose. You're telling them, listen, you don't have to change anything. You don't have to run more ads. You don't have to pay anything. I'm just going to try something on your site. I'm specialized in AI. I'm going to leverage an AI that I'm testing out to see if it will help you get more sales. If so, awesome. We can maybe work together. If not, no worries. Nothing changes. And you can carry on as is. They got nothing to lose. And they basically only pay when they get results. And that's how you will stand out from the crowd. That's how you will finally run a successful agency. That's how you can get out of the competition, out of the commodity, and fighting for the same services, the same offers. This is why clients will choose you over anyone else. I hope that truly makes sense. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to secret number 3. Let me know who wants to know everything you're getting today as part of the special webinar deal. Who wants to know everything you are getting today just because you're on this webinar? You're getting a special webinar deal that is not available to anyone else outside of this webinar. Let me know who wants to know. I see a lot of yeses flying in. Awesome, awesome, awesome. With that being said, let me go ahead and pull it up. I'm going to show you exactly, because guys, you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck known to mankind, known in this space. I mean, it's been a while for me, honestly, to see finally something refreshing where people can truly and honestly make good agency money with. Because for the longest time, even though the tools I've seen were powerful, the offer was a commodity. It was hard to get a client with, because quite frankly, anyone can provide website services, copywriting services, this and that. All the business at the end of the day wants is, yeah, sure, they need maybe a website, they need a logo, they need this, but what a business really wants, if we just want more leads, we want more sales, we want the people we have to buy more, we want to convert more people, right? If you can help us do that, then let's go. And now you can. And this is the type of offer that truly matters in the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, let's show you exactly what you're getting here today. I'm gonna pull this up on the screen. Let me know if you can see it. There you go. First and foremost, you're gonna get access, and this is for a very limited time, only today. I do want to stress that, only today. So you're gonna get access to the IntelliMate commercial AI. This allows you to create initially 100 workspaces. You can collect over 10,000 leads. On top of that, you can train IntelliMate AI using any website URL. I'll actually zoom in for you guys a bit, or with your own data. You can train IntelliMate AI using a list of Q&As or FAQs. You can literally give it anything. And the great thing is, it doesn't stop there. Once you give it that, it can now use that as a base to learn and understand more, as it's also connected to the internet. Embed IntelliMate AI on any website, funnel, page with just one line of code. It's extremely darn simple. Seamless integration with 20 plus top autoresponders to send emails to your clients' leads on automation. So you immediately can go ahead and integrate it with email sequences and email platforms, so it can capture email leads, immediately drop it into a welcome sequence. I mean, the marketing is just going to be on steroids. And that's the power where this AI really excels, unlike any other AI. Now, you have natural language and language processing capabilities that generate human-like or better interactions. Again, it's not rigid, it's not standard, like A or B. Do you want to do this or that? Do you want to speak to a human? No, the AI is the human. It can think for itself. It can adapt based on the conversation, as if you're speaking to a friend. Now, intent recognition allows the chatbot to provide relevant and personalized responses. If it sees, based on what you're asking, it can, based on that, understand where you're trying to take this conversation and what it needs to say for you to get to a point where you either want to buy, you want to book in, you want to leave your email. This is what businesses care about. And that's why it's so easy to sell this. And especially if you just do a trial. Like, nobody shies away from a trial. Okay, I'll install this free trial. Let's see if it gets you some results. If so, we can hop on another call, see how we can work together. And when you have that undeniable proof, you're like, hey, here's what happened. It's like I said, you put them in a Ferrari, now you can't take it away. They want to find a way to see how they can keep driving it and just come to an agreement. On top of that, contextual understanding enables more meaningful and coherent interaction with the users. Guys, this is the most smartest AI, conversational AI online right now. Detailed analytics and insights. Of course, you need to see, all right, how many conversations did it have? What did it say? How many people click? How many people did it convert? So you can present that to the client if you're doing this for clients. But again, you can also do this for yourself. Customize to suit your specific needs and industry. Ability to train bots in multiple languages. Ability to update and Intellimate AI at any time. You have complete visitor analytics. And then on top of that, it is fully secure 128-bit SSL encryption for maximum security, completely cloud-based. You can access this from anywhere, no domain hosting or installation required. It's completely compliant as well, ADA, GDPR, and spam compliant. Customized drag and drop business dashboard, no coding or tech skills needed. I don't care if you're super tech insufficient, like you have no tech skills at all, you can still do this because the AI will pretty much do all the work for you. 100% newbie friendly. We have 24/5 human customer support from our end. Commercial license included, unparalleled price. We have some amazing bonuses included. First of all, well, I'm actually going to reveal the bonuses in a second. Now, on top of that, you're going to immediately get the elite version. That's just because you're on this webinar. The people on this webinar immediately get upgraded to elite, meaning instead of just 100 workspaces, you'll be able to immediately get unlimited workspaces, unlimited lead collection, unlimited embedments, unlimited email listings. So with the previous version or the version above, you only were capped at like certain things, and you would have to buy credits over and over and over again. It would be rather expensive. So because you're on this webinar, you immediately get lifetime access to the whole 9 yards and at a middle unlimited level. And also you get the auto registration for webinars. So if you see a good webinar and you can be an affiliate for it, for example, you can leverage the chatbot to push people to that webinar, and immediately when the person leaves their information, their email, it immediately gets attached to that webinar sequence. You can activate Intellimate also in 50 more languages, so it can adapt to any single language in any single country. Personalized conversation with your visitors and customers, regenerate response generated by Intellimate AI, keyword triggered responses, manage leads effortlessly. It self updates. So the AI stores the responses and generates a relevant response based on the history, the language. So it keeps learning. It keeps learning. So based on successful interaction, all right, this person booked a call, this person booked a call, this person bought a product, this person opted in. It understands what made it have got that person to that point. So when the next person comes in, it's like, all right, I know exactly where I need to take this. I know exactly how to get this person to that too. The AI just focuses on the success patterns. That's why I'm saying, guys, the level of in which this is hyper intelligent is just beyond our own thinking. And when I say I've never seen something so smart, something so powerful, I mean it. This is the best AI chatbot. I've worked with many chat for a long time. I've worked with other AI chatbots for a long time, and they were rigid. They were standard. They were sure they were helpful. I thought that was the top of the best. I didn't know there was anything beyond that until I heard that Amit and Atul were working on something that is literally as if you're talking to another human. It's crazy. This will set you at the top of the food chain for your own business and for other people's businesses. Fully encrypted chat management, 100% chat privacy. You get the desired results using trained chatbots on unlimited, unparalleled price. I mean, and you get some elite upgrades. You get some, we have amazing bonuses. I'll review some of the bonuses. You get the buying traffic to generate massive website visitors. So if you want to put a chatbot on your own website and you need more traffic to that website, we're going to give you this training. We'll show you how to get cheap traffic, high quality, and have the chatbot just convert that traffic into sales for you so you have a good ROI. Right? So we got you covered. Whether you need leads and sales, when you get traffic, you have the chatbot convert that traffic. We have that happening. Now, if you want to be a rock star in affiliate marketing, obviously, you know, we promote a lot of other products as well. We have a formula for doing that. We're going to show you how to do that with AI. You have the WordPress fast track. If you want to be a rock star at WordPress, we can make that happen. Webinar mastery. Obviously, we do a lot of webinars. We can show you how to dominate with webinars. And then the SEO and tracking. If you want to rank your website and you want to be able to be a pro at tracking where your clients come from, how to analyze, we got you covered on that. So these are normally separate consultations and high ticket trainings and courses that we do, that we sell. I think we range anywhere from 500 to up to, even the last one is 2,500. You're going to get those for free access. But again, that's only because you were smart enough to get on the webinar. Only on the webinar you get access to these things. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't stop there. You get the AI Enterprise. Now, this will just allow you to rebrand this whole thing as if it's just your own real product. So you can rebrand Intellimate and make it like yours. Rebrand Intellimate AI on any website. Rebrand the logo. Rebrand the dashboard. Change the header, the theme color, the background image. You can set up a welcome message on your own branded bot. So it won't be Intellimate anymore. It will be your bot, your name, or the client's or company's name, right? Now, it also comes with new features as is keyword triggered responses. So you know how, for example, especially influencers, some influencers do this. A lot of them are still yet to do it. They don't know how. You can sell them. It's like comment, learn more, or DM me the word learn more to get access to this, or DM me the word seven-figure sales and we'll send you our seven-figure cheat sheet, right? This is just a simple way, especially for people that have a large following and that can't communicate with all their following and they can't talk to all of them. Instead of having to drive traffic from that their following from Instagram to Facebook to their website, they can have this AI where just if it triggers a keyword, for example, then you just have to say that keyword and the AI knows what needs to happen next. And again, as if you're speaking with the person itself. So that's what I'm talking. Keyword triggered responses, set up thank you messages at the end of the conversation, set up trigger and response based chat view. So this is basically putting it on steroids, because you can strengthen your relationship with your customers using CRM, grow your sales and marketing even more by having it book appointments and meetings, do service and feedbacks, 5-star ratings, engage the leads. It can show them affiliate offers. And I mean, come on, the bonuses again, it's close to $2,000 in bonuses, ladies and gentlemen. Just the bonuses alone are worth it, right? You get 100 website business models that are high converting, 60 Photoshop action scripts, free website traffic source. If traffic is a big issue for right now, if you're struggling getting leads and you want to leverage this chatbot to make sales, but you need people to go to the chatbot, you got bonus number 3 taking care of that. Free website traffic all day long. 100 video transition backgrounds, and you get our AI YouTube masterclass as well to dominate from YouTube traffic, leverage AI chatbots. Ladies and gentlemen, I make an understatement if I say the people that grab this, the next wave of success stories will come from Intellimate. In the next 30 days, all the success stories you'll see online will be from Intellimate. Now, let me know in the chat box real quick. Are you loving this offer so far? Let me know in the chat box. Are you loving this bundle so far? Because there's a whole lot more where that came from. It's only about to get better. Are you loving this bundle so far? Let me know in the chat box. I love it. I love it. I see bring it fire away. Yes, 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 of course. When can I give you my money, says Thomas. I love it. I love Dell saying, no, who's that? But Pete says, I want a Raheem AI so it can do all my webinars. When can I throw you my money? Give it. I love it. I love it. All right. So I'm just gonna fast forward. You guys are freaking amazing. Again, I'm fully confident when I say the next 30 days, all the success stories you'll see will be from people that use Intellimate. You'll see people go from 0 to 4 figures, 0 to 5 figures, people getting the first clients, people are getting 5 clients. It's because there's nothing like this out there. The market is craving for someone that can actually promise them results instead of another person telling them, I can help you create copy or design this or create a video or do this. Right? The business is just desperate for someone to come along and say, listen, I'm confident that I can get you more sales and leads. Just let me install this tool. And up until now, nobody can say that because they don't have the ability, the skill set, the expertise, or just the tool to do it. Now, that's all going to change. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give you the full-on agency. And this is where we really turn you into a professional, because you'll be able to directly provide top-notch Intellimate AI smartphone creation services for your client and charge monthly or recurringly. Not only that, it's completely cloud-based. You can assign clients to a specific workspace. You can serve unlimited clients, serve unlimited team members. You get an accurate analysis of the client's activities for effective monitoring. You basically give them their own account within Intellimate. So you help them set up, you help them manage. There's a full management system, and they just pay you monthly to use your software. Again, you won't have to pay recurringly, you won't have to pay monthly or yearly, and that's just because you're on this webinar. We're even going to give you full-on training on how to set up your website, free business videos, blogging traffic mantra, and we're going to give you some amazing, these are actually really expensive, I think $900, our Christmas themed and WordPress themes. Like if you can theme your websites to the holiday or the season, That's always nice for the user experience and the clients. They see you're relevant, they see you're up to date. And you can do this for yourself and your clients as well. Now, ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, we're going to give you SiteSmart AI. This is actually something we were planning on releasing next month. It's actually going to be a product on its own. We finished it up early. We've been testing it. We're actually looking for a few more beta testers. So we thought, what's the best way by just adding it into the webinar only bundle, meaning you'll be able to create a limited website to serve as many clients as you want. And this is just for, let's say there are two people that offer website creation. One says, I'll create your website. Another one says, I'll create a website and install a smart AI chatbot to get you more leads and sales alongside it. Because the very next step, if you have a website, the person wants traffic, the person wants sales. So you are going to make yourself way more attractive by combining SiteSmart AI together with the AI chatbot. And the great thing is, you don't have to build the site. The AI builds it for you. It's immediately pre-filled with smoking hot AI human-like content. You can create and sell beautiful, highly professional website with unique content. You can auto-publish your own content and images to your website and pages all day without you ever having to log in ChatGPT. WooCommerce integration sites, affiliate review niche site, portfolio sites, any type of site you need for yourself or for your clients, you can go ahead and create. Commercial licenses included, white label of functionality for developers to show your developers details on theme without touching any code. Drive unlimited leads from the website, blog page, and e-com. Get 400 plus eye-catching and customizable color templates, cutting-edge autoresponder integration, create even more engaging and beautiful websites with 1 million royalty-free stock photos. You can skillfully craft unlimited logos, share your control of your business with unlimited team members, sell it to anyone, and pocket 100% of the profit. You do no product, sales pitch, marketing, material creation, rebranding by your own logo and brand name. You literally have everything to move forward and be in force to reckon with in the marketplace. So I asked it before and I'll ask it again, ladies and gentlemen, are you absolutely loving this offer so far? For anyone that has been waiting or looking for something that will actually make them stand apart, actually make them get recognized, actually make them valuable in the marketplace, it's right here in front of you. So just to recap, in case you missed it, you're going to get the Intellimate commercial license. You're going to get the Intellimate elite level. You're going to get the Intellimate enterprise access. You're going to get the Intellimate AI agency. And like I said, because you're here on the webinar and you're staying until the end and you're smart enough to be here and take advantage of the webinar only bundle deal instead of having to grow through our more expensive channels, I'll explain those in a second, you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck. Now, if you want some additional bonuses added into your Intellimate account, all you have to do right now is comment bonus. If you want our team to upload additional bonuses into your Intellimate account, all you have to do right now is comment bonus. So let me see who's commenting bonus right now, because what we're going to do for you is going to make you an inevitable success story. Because listen, we don't just want to give you a product and tell you, all right, good luck, I hope it happens for you. Obviously, we know your chances of success having this has never been as high, right? That is a given fact. I see people saying bonus, 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 bonus. Awesome. I see Dal saying, will it get ongoing updates? Yes, 100%. But definitely, we use it ourselves, and we already have a lot of clients with it as well. So 100%. I see a lot of people saying bonuses. Martin, Bob, Shay, Mark, Austin, Vincent, Jeffrey, Wayne, James, Dal, Georgetta, Ken, Nat, James, Kevin, Sebastian, Jonathan, Paul, Oscar, Jeffrey, Flo, Thomas, Juan, Jeffrey, Dal. I see you, beautiful people. Christian also, and Ben. Now, here's what we're gonna do. I told you we're just, if I can literally say right now, here's Intellimate, and I know for a fact that you're gonna succeed with it. But like I said, the next 30 days, all the success stories you'll see online in our industry, in the internet marketing space, you'll see testimonials of Intellimate, left, right, and center. And here's why. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add in these premium action bonuses that are worth $497, so 500 bucks. First of all, we're going to do, for everyone that gets Intellimate on the webinar, we're going to do a live training on how to use it and make money with it. Meaning, I'm going to show you over the shoulder. Here's the client. Here's what you tell them. Here's how you reach out to them. Here's how you give them a demo. Here's how you give them the sample. Here's what you pitch them. Here's the price point from top to bottom. So you literally have to follow along and click along to get your client in any industry or niche. I even show you the different niches you can tap into. I'm going to reveal some untapped niches that people have not even thinking about, right? If you want me to expose one right now, I can. You know what? F it, let's do it. I'm gonna show you a highly untapped niche that when you use IntelliMate with, they'll eat you alive, right? Has anyone ever heard of Airbnb? Has anyone ever heard of Airbnb? I'm sure you have. Now, these people get so many darn questions every single day before the person stays and during the person stay, right? And it's true, right? I'm booking Airbnbs all the time. Actually, in one right now, I'm traveling to the UK. I'm at a mastermind, and it's because you're making a lot of effort to go from your hometown to another place in the world. You're going to pay a lot of money, so of course you have a lot of questions. These people, if you install IntelliMate because a lot of them also have their own website and all that stuff. If you give them IntelliMate, they're like, you saved my life. Here's how easy it is to get the client. I open them up. I see, look at this. I see they're getting tons of reviews. They have a high star rating. They're making 702 pounds a night. Guys, these people are printing money, right? So I know they can afford me. That's no problem. I know they can afford me. So I'll go here, scroll down. You see right here, contact host. That's it. I'll contact, I send the pitch script, and the pitch script I reveal inside the live training. We pick up clients just like that. And because we give them a free trial, say, hey, we're going to install this bot. It's going to help you with all the Airbnb book. It's going to help you book out more. One of the scripts is, hey, we're wondering if you have availability for the next few months, if you can accept more people into your bookings. If they say yes, awesome. Because we want to make this happen using a specific AI that we use, that we're specifically testing for Airbnb hosts. And we're looking for people that would love the free trial, see if we can get them results. But they got nothing to lose. They want to sell out their place. If it's up to them, they're booked to the end of the year. Just go here, contact them, send the script. They're like intrigued. Sure, try it out, see what you can do for me. After that, they're like, perfect, we got 2-3 bookings in. How can we make this a standard thing? You can go in a ref share. Me, guys, I've already been sharing too much. I'm always giving the master class here. No, but really, for those of you that get access to this, it's a done deal. Like if you've been looking to make just really solid money, good income, having access to this, the support and the training, you're gonna crush it in so many different niches. Even if you don't want to go up to Airbnb clients, the niches I'll show to you, and your own business and the ways you can leverage it, whether you're an affiliate, whether you're an agency business, whether you work with local businesses, with spas, etc. It's the blueprint is so easy because you actually have something valuable for the marketplace. You're actually now a person of interest because you can promise a certain result that is directly related to their bottom line revenue. So we're going to give you training on how to start the online business properly. We're going to give you the IntelliMate AI guide workshop, meaning, guys, we went all out and not just giving you a tool and telling you good luck, but giving you a tool and then making money with it, right? So we're going to give you full training to immersify yourself into the head of AI. We have to. We have to. So I hope you appreciate that. And that's why I'm so confident in saying the people that get this, ladies and gentlemen, it's for your own good. If you want results, if you really want it, you don't just talk the talk, but you really want to walk the walk, just get IntelliMate and trust me, best decision you can make. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you appreciate that. You're going to get access to the webinar only IntelliMate bonus, and that's only available right now on this webinar. I guarantee you outside of this webinar, forget about it. We're not going to do that for every single one of you. We also don't want to saturate the marketplace, right? The fact that I already shared a little bit of the inside, the Airbnb hack, that's a niche nobody gets into. The amount of questions people have in an Airbnb that can be answered with simple chatbots is crazy. Like even at the Airbnb, oh, I want a night out to eat. I've never been in this town. Well, what's the closest place? Where can I go? What's the best spot? Where is it safe? Where is it fun to have a drink? Before that, where are parking places? What's the best way here? People have so many darn questions, and the host cannot stay up 24/7, especially if they have multiple properties. They go crazy. That's where the chatbot payment right there, ladies and gentlemen, they'll fall in love with you, saving their lives. But before, most chatbots were rigid and very stubborn and not flexible. Well, we IntelliMate, it's almost like the guest that's staying is talking with a friend. Guys, let me know if you're loving this so far. With that being said, you're going to get the whole 9 yards, the commercializers, the elite level, the AI HC, the site smart AI, and the bot. Now, I hope you're enjoying this. I see a lot of people saying yes. Yeah, so Anthony, definitely so a lot of these Airbnb people have their own website as well, but you can also use it as a standalone. Right. So it's a standalone that you send to the guest, and the guest can now communicate through the chatbot with that link. Right. You get pull up a simple WordPress site. We give you 400 plus WordPress sites. Right? It's easy. Even if the business doesn't have a website, you set it up for them with the click. You have SiteSmart AI. Well, why do you think we give you SiteSmart AI? It's all with a reason. If the Airbnb person says, "Yeah, but I don't have a website," no worries. We create you a beautiful website. Give me 2 days, I'll come back to you. Boom, you run SiteSmart AI, you give it a URL. Boom, it creates, based on the pictures of the Airbnb, creates a beautiful website. Boom, here's your website. Now, let us install this. Do you know how valuable you are to that person? The amount of, there's nobody else coming to the person and helping them to that extent, giving them that type of value. And they charge £702 a night. They're printing money. What's 5%, 10% to you for helping them get those bookings in, helping them become more valuable in the marketplace? That's what I'm saying. The people that do not take action on this, you're leaving tons of money, a whole business model on the table. You're going to continue fight in a dog-eat-dog commodity marketplace where everybody just tries to sell the same marketing service, and all businesses really want, that we all know in the back of our mind, is we just want leads and we want sales, and all the rest is just extra. And now you can be that person that provides that. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to get the whole 9 yards. And the normal price for this, to be honest, to effortlessly have recurring clients pay for you and have us come in and consult you on how to do it, the scripts, like how to find the clients, get the websites up. We turn you into powerhouse agency owners. It will be $4,000. Now, the $4,000 is when you go to our IntelliMate sales agent. He hops on a call with you. He says, "Hey, awesome. I'm glad you're interested in IntelliMate. Give you a little bit of a background." You tell your background. It's like, okay, boom, this is what we do. It's $4,000. Do you want to use Visa, credit card? And that's it. He collects the payment and it works. But you were smart enough to come to the webinar. So that's the investment when we release to the general public. You're not general public. Because you're taking action during the special launch training, you get the special sales price. Now the sales price is $997. And there's a difference between the sales price and the webinar special access. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't get crazier than this. It's not recurring, it's not monthly, it's not annually, yet you get consistent updates all the time. And you'll be able to make 297 out of thin air over and over and over again with what I'm about to show you next. If you think you can't charge a business $300 and make an ROI with the value you can provide by having a IntelliMate, you got another thing coming. Because you'll be able to easily charge 1,000, 1,500, even 2K for the bigger businesses. It all depends on the results. And you give them a free trial. They got nothing to lose. You have a pipeline of people saying, "When can you do it for me? When is it my turn? Can you slide that for me? I'm in a dry month. I need clients. I need sales. I need more conversions. Please try your AI thing on my thing." People are gonna beg, call you up, message you. "Is it ready? Is the bot ready? Can we utilize it? I need clients." I'm like, "Oh, chill. I got more people to work with. Relax. All right, your free trial starts tomorrow. Let's see what happens." Ladies and gentlemen, who wants access at the all-time low of 297? Comment special access in the chat box. If you want to take it at only 297, no recurring fees, let me know in the chat box. Who wants access at 297? Comment special access if you want to grab this for just 297, because it really doesn't get better than that. I see Thomas saying special access, Jeff says special access, Jonathan says special access, Kevin says special access, Mark says special access, Oscar says special access. Now, Jeffrey, that's a great question. Ladies and gentlemen, here's what we're gonna do. I told you several times right now, it doesn't get better than that, but to be honest, it does. Here's what we're gonna do. Who is going to buy now and wants another $50 off right now, just on this webinar? I'm actually gonna put up a timer. It's 5-minute timer, because I said 297. A lot of people are already standing in line to get it, and I know why. Because this is gonna print you money whether you like it or not. The people that said special access right now, you are smart people. They are smart people because they see opportunity when it's there. Yet we're gonna do something even better. Common discount in the chat box right now to get the webinar only discount at the lowest price. Common discount in the chat box. If you want to grab this at only $247 and still get access to the live training, still get access to the full spiel, common discount in the chat box right now, and I'll have the team drop the link immediately. So team, please go ahead to all the people that are commenting discount, activate and send them a coupon code alongside with the link. I'm actually going to show you the way it works. You copy the coupon code or you just type it over, right? You go to the website. I'll actually go to the website right now. We'll take you right here. There's a big blue buy now button here. You can also find the coupon here. It's activated right now. Click on buy now. It goes down. As you can see, you're going to get access to the whole commercial, the elite level. Your account's immediately going to get upgraded to the highest level, including all the bonuses. Normally, you have to pay over $1,000. No recurring, no monthly, no yearly fee, as promised, just for you on the webinar. Outside of the webinar, that won't even happen. You would talk to a sales associate, he would call you crazy. So you click here, you click your email, you put in the coupon code, which is only available for you. I'm not going to apply it because I don't want to take away coupon codes as we only have limited amounts available. But if I click on apply right now, the price will drop down and you get that discount. You can start making money. Ladies and gentlemen, the link is in the chat box. What I want you to do, one last thing, is the moment you're in, let us know in the chat box so we can welcome you, congratulate you, and start making you money. Because you'll now, the moment you're in, are one of the most valuable human beings in the marketplace. You've access to an AI that so many people have not gotten a chance yet to witness or even know it exists. And like I said, I myself, I see a lot of AIs all the time, and I became numb to it. I'm like, they're all the freaking same. They can all write my copy. They can all create me a video. They can all create me, like, the better ones can do a website. They can all create me an image. Like, okay, I've seen it. Thanks, good stuff. And then a tool said, you got to see this. We're working on something. It's like, yeah, it's probably AI. Yeah, it's AI. Okay, never mind. I've seen all of them. So no, come and check this out. So I checked this, like, okay, it's a chatbot. What's make this different? There are a million chatbots. He said, have a talk with it. The moment I saw the response, this is not a chatbot. There's someone on the other end that's just talking to me right now. This is not real. If I had that experience as a sophisticated business owner running multiple six-figure businesses, then imagine what you will be able to do in the marketplace. Ladies and gentlemen, at least try this out. There's a money back guarantee. You can simply go ahead, log in, experience it for yourself, build a chatbot. Go ahead and give a free trial. Attend the live training where we show you how to make money online with IntelliMate. And tell me you won't regret it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for your own good. You're getting the biggest bang for your buck, the lowest discount, because I'm just going to click apply for now. Let's see. Boom. 247. It's all the way dropped down. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. You're getting the whole spiel, the whole 9 yards, just for you being on this webinar live. Just going to pull the slides back up. If you have any questions, drop them in as well. Let's see. So for Ben, actually, after checkout, you get the invoice automatically to your mail. That's how it works with the provider with JVZoo. So when you pay, the invoice automatically gets printed to your email. You actually get it even on the page right after, but also to your email. So just for Ben, because he needed an invoice. I have that all the time as well, since a lot of the things I buy on business expense. Actually, I have that all the time too. So yeah, just so you know, you get it to your email. No worries. Thomas is in. Awesome, Thomas. Thomas says my head is exploding with ideas. I love it, my man. Let's see. Brady says, I see Christmas theme and WordPress theme, but my site is not WordPress. No, Brady, the IntelliMate website works on any website, right? I specifically said that. Let me actually pull back up the page. It works on any website. We just give WordPress themes as a bonus. You can use them. You don't have to use them. But right now, seasonal, we've noticed conversions help if you have your website themed, right? Nonetheless, the IntelliMate itself, no matter whether your client uses ClickFunnels, whether you use freaking lead pages, optimized press, or just like cPanel, hard-coded HTML, no matter what website they use, even if they use Wix for all I care, IntelliMate can be installed on it. I just want that to be super darn clear for you, Brady. So there you go. So Brady, let me know if that makes sense. It works on any website, not just freaking WordPress. I don't use WordPress. What my one of my websites built on Go High Level, right? Works there as well. So it really doesn't matter. Awesome. Brady saying, Brady, congratulations. Congratulations. Janat says, I would like a chatbot that sells chatbot services. Well, then get it TeleMate. What are you waiting for? That's exactly what it can do, Nat. As a matter of fact, it's more than qualified to do that since it's a chatbot itself. So yes, that's exactly what you need, because you get the agency level as well. And the agency level allows you to sell chatbot services. That's why I included that. So Nat, go ahead and grab that, my man. I can't wait to see you on the inside. And again, just at least try it out. Do yourself a favor. It's already heavily discounted. You're getting the webinar only access. There are no monthly recurring fees. You have a 14-day money back guarantee. Just test it out. Let's log in. All right. Let's see if it's as good as they say. Right. And I know you won't be disappointed. I know you're going to build a chatbot and be like, oh my God, this can close anything. It's a sales monster. I can't wait to try it out for different businesses. It's actually fun to do trials because you know it's going to convert into sales. And the business just needs a little bit of traffic. It doesn't need to have a lot of traffic. And even if your business doesn't have any traffic, we give you the traffic with the free traffic training and the cheap app training. When I say cheap, I'm talking $5 a day. Like this money you spend on a snack. Awesome. Brady's in. Congratulations, Brady. I'm just gonna congratulate a few more people. Thomas is in. Thomas, I expected nothing less from you, brother. I know you said your head was exploding with ideas. I love it. Just sit down and do a brain dump. That always helps. But I know where you're coming from, because the sky's the limit when you have IntelliMate. Honestly, the sky's the limit. I see. Let's see. Yeah, Brady was in. Jonathan is in. Jonathan Carroll, congratulations to you as well. Super excited for you. I can confirm the email responses work perfectly. All my inbox already. There you go. We have people already going in. I love it. I love it. Awesome. Nat is in. Nat, congratulations. Bob Morrison, just bought the deal. Looking forward to the training, Bob. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the training, brother. Congratulations. You made a very wise and profitable decision. And like I always say, at the end of the day, entrepreneurship is all about making the right decisions. And that's what you're doing right now. You're making a decision that's going to move you forward so fast, so much more, that it's absolutely worth it. I see Roosevelt asking, is there a monthly fee? No, it's a one-time payment, and that's only if you get this on the webinar. If you get this right now in the webinar, you won't have monthly fees. No monthly fees, only one-time payment, and if I might add, heavily discounted one-time payment, right? I see Michael asking, is there a API access? Michael, yes, there is API access, 100%. Dallas in. Dallas, congratulations. Yeah, you have already have OPO. You don't need that. You already have it. But other than that, congratulations with your access, man. Amazing. We're gonna create that. This is why I said the next 30 days when you're online, don't be surprised when left, right, and center you see new success stories over and over again. You see us emailing success stories, you see us posting new success stories, and you see all of a sudden new people making money because they have IntelliMate. Why? Because everybody in the industry can only offer marketing services, but nobody dares to promise leads and sales because they're not confident and they just can't deliver that. With IntelliMate, you can, because that's what it's designed to do. It's designed to take people and convert them into leads and sales all day long. It's more, you have more control, and then on top of that, you have the data to prove it, because you get all the analytics, so you can walk around the businesses. You did it for a restaurant, you can out walk to another restaurant saying, hey, here's what I did for your competitor. Want me to do it for you? You have social proof. The game is going to become so easy if you can walk up to anyone saying, hey, here's the result I got for this person. You have a similar business. I mean, if you want me to try it out for you, you won't even have to pay me the first month. Let's see what we can do. Like, do your thing. If it worked for that person, sure. Yeah, I want you to think bigger than where you're at right now. I want you to think away from, oh, I'm just going to sell marketing services all day long. The marketing service game is hard because at the end of the day, the business just wants leads and sales. And if you can't confidently tell them, hey, that's what's going to happen, it's going to be a hard one. That's why the people that make the most money are the big ad agencies, because they can tell people, hey, we're going to run ads for you. You're probably going to spend 300K on ads, but it's going to turn into like $500,000. And big companies with big budgets are like, oh, all right, let's do that. We can't play on that level. So a lot of people go to like smaller services that are important to a degree, but they're often one-offs and they're not directly related to revenue for the business. So it's easy for them to say, you know what, we're going to stop it right here. I'm just going to carry on or not do it at all. But with IntelliMate, you can tell any business that, listen, you want more leads? You want more sales? Let me put this on your website. Let's see what happens in a week from now. And that's a wrap. It's a different way. It's a higher level of confidence. You're more valuable in the marketplace. And I already spilled the beans on the Airbnb approach. I mean, nobody's even thinking about that. And there's a whole lot more where that came from. You're going to take the market by storm. You're going to make so much darn money. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop it right here. We're going to put up a timer. And instead of 5 minutes, it's going to be 3 minutes, to be honest. If in 3 minutes you're still not in, I cannot help you to see the value. And you'll just have to see other people succeed and surpass you left, right, and center, because that's exactly what's going to happen. If you can at least try this out, because you see the immense value of how you can serve the marketplace with this, how this makes you more valuable, how you can leverage this for your own, then I don't know what you want to do. Because I, for one, would hate for you to just keep running around in circles, offering or doing the same thing. So I'm going to put up a timer. It's going to be 2.5 minutes now, because I've been speaking a little bit. So 2.5 minutes go. And after 2.5 minutes, if you haven't gotten it, I mean, what can I tell you? You'll have to just sell commodity offers and hope someone wants to buy from you. You won't have the free traffic methods that we provide. You won't have the paid traffic methods that we provide. Cheap paid traffic method, if I might add. You don't have the how to make live money with IntelliMate. You won't have IntelliMate at all. And then when you do decide and see the light and grab IntelliMate, you won't get all the bonuses that you see here right now, and you'll have to either pay $3,997, $4,000, or if you get the limited version, you have to pay $997, $1,000, and then you have to pay annually. And if you want to use it unlimitedly, you have to pay recurringly. But if you're smart and we get the biggest bang for your buck because you showed up to the webinar, that's why we always encourage people to come to the webinar. 247 is all it takes to take you to a whole new level. Now, again, if you have 247 and like, you know what, at least 14 days, let me try this out. I have a money back guarantee. Let's see if I can make some money with this. Then go ahead. Innovate yourself out of your situation. Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting near to less than 1 minute. And this final minute will change the trajectory of your life. I want to congratulate again all the people that are in, all the people that were smart enough to take action here today. You are absolute rock stars, and you have no idea how much revenue is waiting for you on the other side. You can approach any business, local, online, offline, affiliates, or maybe you're an affiliate yourself, or you sell your own products and services. You now have IntelliMate by your side, equipped with you to dominate the marketplace, to take any eyeball and talk it into buying the offer, talk it into joining your email list. And the great thing is you won't have to be there. You can be sleeping. You can be outside. You can be on a holiday. You can be eating. And IntelliMate is just out there hustling, grinding. The work that you should be doing 24/7, it does for you. Speaking to the people, understanding their pains, providing them solutions, and making you money. Ladies and gentlemen, 3, 2, 1. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this webinar. I hope you took action. I'm going to ask the team to drop a last chance link in the chat box right now. And that will be truly your last chance, your final and absolute last chance to get this. And that is the only way to get it through this webinar right here, right now. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. I want to congratulate a few more people last minute. I see Mark is saying congratulations. I see Mark. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Good job, Raheem says Thomas. Thank you. Yeah, guys, let me know. Did you enjoy the webinar? Was it valuable? Was it straightforward enough? I tried to stay away from the whole rags and riches and I was poor and now I make money approach. And I know that's what most webinar people do. I'm just telling you, like, here's how I see the industry right now. Here's what we developed. Here's how we tested it. Here's how it worked. Like, if you want similar results, here's a demo of the product, and that's it. And I hope if I was able to do that and allow you to see the value and help you move away from saturation, that I'm happy, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this webinar. And Dell says thank you for skipping the sob story, right? It's annoying. It's also doesn't add a lot of value to you. Like, what do you care about my pain points? But yeah, long story short, I have a pleasure. I had a blast doing this webinar, and for me, it's just, in all seriousness, I hope you see, like, whether you got this or not, I hope you see and understand that, all right, I can't be moving in the marketplace offering a commodity service. Businesses want leads and sales, and the closer my offer gets to that, the more valuable I am to the marketplace. That's why the people that can promise anything that's close to getting leads and sales will get the best deals, right? So that doesn't mean you can't offer websites and whatnot, but that should be just an added bonus. Like, hey, I'm gonna get you leads and sales. I'm gonna give you a free website. Take my money, right? So that's the way we see the industry. That's what we see working, and we just here to give that vision to you and help you succeed alongside that. And not a lot of people are willing to do that. So I hope you appreciate that, ladies and gentlemen. That's it for today. I'm gonna call it a wrap. Have an amazing rest of your day. Thomas says, do I get a special kiss for staying to the end? Thomas, you absolutely do, man. I appreciate you for being here. Amazing. Ben, perfect. I see that link. Got you covered. I'm in. Awesome. All right, that's a wrap. The team dropped the last chance link right now. So if you haven't gotten it, the last chance link is now live. With that being said, have an amazing rest of your weekend. All right, it's Friday. Have an amazing rest of your weekend. Talk to you soon. See you on the inside and start playing around with Intellimate. Bye-bye.